Bell's Showboat. You too can get these goodies.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has extended the flash flood warning for southwestern Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kerberville, Call, Beulah, Wright Settlement, Trout Creek, Old Salem, Devil's Pocket, Mount, Union, and Blakewood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.